Did you know your brain will lie to you to protect a mistake? Here's how it works. You've been in a relationship for 4 years, or a job for 6, and it's not working. You know it's not working, but you stay. And you tell yourself it's because you love them, or because things might change, or because you've come so far. That's not love. That's math. Bad math. The sunk cost fallacy is the brain's way of saying the time you already spent can somehow be rescued if you just stay a little longer. But it can't. Those years are gone, whether you leave today or in 5 more years. Here's the part that should scare you. The longer you've been in the wrong situation, the harder it feels to leave. So the trap gets stronger exactly when you need out the most. Your brain isn't protecting you. It's protecting the decision you already made. And the lie it's telling you is this: leaving now would mean it was all a waste. Would it? What's your answer? Write it in the comments below. Follow for more psychology questions that make you think.